Hello mga kapiks. Today we're going to have an unboxing of the SJ8 Pro. It's an action camera. So let's start it. So guys, here is the SJ cam in a very nice packaging. And you can see the brand name SJ cam with Wi-Fi, and the model name SJ Pro Action Cam 2.33 touchscreen with 4K 60 frames per second. And on the other side, you can see some few accessories included. And by the way, I will give you all the specs on my next video for SJ Pro review. And see this? Wow, it's beautiful. Look at this SJ camera inside the bolt-on waterproof casing. Okay, let's check some few accessories here. Look at this. We have one handlebar seat post mount. This one, the flat adhesive tapes. Another adhesive tapes with quick release buckle. And we have here mount adapter. It's 3 mount adapters. Another 2 adapter for the tripod. And this small white plastic is a lens cover. This one is the extra plastic door for the waterproof casing. Let's see what's on this small compartment. We got one cleaning cloth, and this black cable. It's a Type-C USB cable for charging the camera and can be used also for data transfer. Let's take this camera. Okay, and we have here the official receipt. And let's check again here. We have the user manual, the multi-language manual, and the SJ cam stickers. Look at this transparent waterproof casing. Looks good and sturdy, solid. And you can see on this side, it has a power button, and on top is the shutter button next to the bolt-on lock. It has a quick release mount included. So let's open this transparent casing. The door of this casing is too tight. and the camera is perfectly fit inside. Wow, nice. Look at this beautiful waterproof casing. Look at this beautiful SJ8 Pro. Wow, it's just a standard design of an action cam, but impressively solid and well made. Here is the logo under the lens. Then the SJ8 Pro model name here, next to the light indicator for the power and photo indicator. In front, it has a small OLED screen monitor. If you look at this side, holds the standby or power button. And the top of the unit houses a surprisingly large speaker alongside the shutter button. On the other side, you can see this home to a USB-C interface for recharging the battery, for the external microphone, and can be used also for transferring data to the laptop computer. And what is cool on this SJ8, it has a 1/4" tripod thread next to the battery compartment. It's very important. Okay, they also include one battery here. Let's remove this battery. You can see here the battery, and you can see the battery of SJ8 is quite larger than the SJ7 battery. On the side of the compartment, you can see the micro SD card slot. Okay, we'll return the battery back, and now let's power on the camera. Now we can see the power light indicator installed, and also the front screen turned on, and on the back you can see the large touch screen, and on the front screen you can see some few important details. Okay, let's check on the command interface. You can see here the very simple icons like the video time-lapse, slow motion, photo lapse, burst mode, video plus photo, and the car mode. So, and one thing I like is that the touchscreen is very intuitive and responds smoothly. So actually it has a friendly user interface, and let's check some settings. So if you look on the settings, it is easy for you to navigate and understand. I can see here it has a 6-axis gyroscope stabilization mode, but not available on 4K video mode. One thing I love on this action cam is that they included the RAW format for photos, in which you can do a precise adjustment on the image before conversion. And for me, this action cam is very easy to operate without looking on the manual. And I think this action cam SJ8 Pro is just a great value GoPro Challenger. Yes, it's a great value GoPro Challenger. And if you're looking for a budget action camera, I think SJ8 Pro will take some challenge against the top-notch action camera like GoPro. So that's all. That's all about unboxing of the SJ8 Pro Action Camera, and see you on my next video for the review of SJ8 Pro after I made some tests on this camera. Let you see the actual performance of this action cam. So see you next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.